Hello mates, today I'm going to build this and this. I'm going to start off with the tortoise. This is my Lego. First we have to take all the Lego pieces out. Then I'll start with the base of the tortoise. Then I will do the straight piece. Then I'll do the straight piece. Then I'll do this little piece. Next I'm gonna do this little square pieces. Then the 4 legs. These 4 little legs of the tortoise. Then we will do the little stud for the shell. Then this big pink shell. Then we'll put this leaf for the tortoise to eat. Then the little eyes. These little small eyes. Oopsies. So we need to put this again on. After that, this lettuce. The tortoise is done. Now I'm gonna build the ship. So we start with this piece. Then we do these pieces on the side over here. 2 same pieces. Now we do the plain brown piece on top. Now we do 2 of these blue pieces on each side and 2 of these in the side of the dots. It's a bit hard to press it on. Now we put this piece on. Then we put this rectangular piece on each side. Now we put this stud kind of piece on each side. Then we put these circles pieces the red one. start with the red one. Then let's go to the green. Then let's do the peach color one. Then the other side. Then we put this thing on, this little bit, then this bit, then 4 of this bit, then we make the flag for the ship. This flag. Then we put this little stud, then this little circle piece, and then we put it on the top, this plain piece. Now I'm gonna put this big golden long flag. This is the flag ship, the flag of the ship. These are the red matching on this each side, and on this side the matching, and this is for the smoke. Hooray! I made it! The final one with the tortoise and the ship. Bye, mates!